Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to connect the cursor to n8n. First, go to the n8n website and make sure you log it into your account. Now click on Create Workflow to start a new automation. Then click on Add First Step to set up your starting action. Now, search for cursor in the search bar. Since cursor is not directly available, it won't show up in the list. So instead, search for HTTP and click on HTTP request. Next, choose HTTP method you need like GET, POST, PUT, DELETE, patch, etc. depending on what action you want to perform with cursor. Then enter the API URL provided by cursor. After that, scroll down and select your authentication type, either predefined credential type or generic credential type based on how cursor's API works. Now, review the other settings like headers, query parameters, or request body if needed. Once everything is set, click on Execute step to test the connection and see if the request works correctly. That's how you can connect cursor to n8n using HTTP request node. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.